Hello Quora users! In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of changing your password on Quora to ensure the security of your account. Let's get started. Begin by logging into your Quora account using your current username and password. Once logged in, you'll be ready to update your password. Navigate your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Account. Here, you'll find options to manage your account settings, including your password. Find the Password section and click on the Edit button next to your current password. This will allow you to enter your current password and create a new one. In the form provided, enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that's difficult for others to guess. After entering your new password, Quora will ask you to confirm it by entering it again in the designated field. Double-check to ensure both entries match. Once you've entered and confirmed your new password, click on the Save Changes button to update your password. Quora will then confirm that your password has been successfully changed. And that's it. You've successfully changed your password on Quora. Make sure to keep your new password secure and avoid sharing it with others. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.